Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn what hold at UPS access point requested means in 2026. So when you see this type of update from UPS, it simply means that your package is being redirected to a UPS access point. Instead of home delivery, the package will be held at a nearby pickup location. Now this can happen if you requested a hold at a pickup point, if the delivery was missed and redirected, or if the sender selected this particular option. It is done to make the pickup easier and more flexible. Now your package will be delivered to the selected UPS access point. Once it arrives, the status will update to ready for pickup. You will usually receive a notification for this. When you get the notification, simply go to the access point location, bring a valid ID that matches to the name on the package, and you may also need the tracking number or pickup code. Now packages usually held for a limited number of days, so make sure that you collect it on time. If this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.